guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making slime. So, sorry about the noise in the background. I've got my friend over. She's just organising my pop sticks and glitters. So, hopefully you can see there. So I have this to make it in a cup, and I have a pop stick to mix with. I'm just going to add my glue right now. Oh, and also I will be doing a giveaway of slime. It's a yellow butter slime. If it gets hard, just add lotion, or you can just add water into it. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm also doing a few shout outs on my next video, so yeah. To enter my giveaway, all you need to do is smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you get notified every time I do a video. You also will need to comment down below hashtag ready to get slime. Hashtag ready for slime, sorry. So, yeah. I'm leaning on, actually, not gonna lie, I'm leaning on my slime container. So, Ruby, if my dad yells out my name, can you go there and tell him I'm doing a YouTube channel video? Sorry guys, I just had to tell my friend Ruby something. You should go check out her channel called Jackie Teague. Hold on, guys.
We can't go at 4:30.
I know, it starts at 4:30. Do we have to go now? Okay, I'll be there in a second. Bye, Cooper. Can you shut my door, please? Sorry, I need to be in a huge rush, so I'm just doing it pink because I don't really care.
Don't care what shade it is.
I'm gonna put blue glitter in it because my other one doesn't come out very well. This one comes out very fast, so I'm gonna put lots of glitter in it.
I feel like one's not coming out fast because it's not opened properly. But sometimes it doesn't come out fast enough because it's not opened properly.
Okay, this looks very nice. Okay, now I'm going to put jasmine scent in it because I like the jasmine scent.
Go in this big pop sticks.
Okay. I have my activator in another cup.
Here's the money. I don't have any pockets.
Thank you.
You don't have any glitter left.
Yeah, I have my glitter shakers, but like. Okay, here's the slime. It's not the best because I was in a huge rush.
Yep.
But that's fine to me. Okay, bye guys. Hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.